In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video vertical with Kapwing. If you've ever captured a video and realized that it would look better on platforms like Instagram Reels or TikTok, then transforming it into a vertical format is your go-to move. We're going to make this process easy and straightforward, so let's dive in. First things first, head over to your project on Kapwing. If you're new to Kapwing, it's an online platform that lets you create and edit videos directly from your browser. No downloads are needed. Now, within your Kapwing project, find the video or photo you want to transform. Simply click on it to select it. This step is crucial because it ensures that all the edits you're about to make apply to the correct media file in your project. Once you've selected your video or picture, look for the crop option. You'll generally find it in the editing pane, which is usually on the right-hand side of your screen. Clicking on crop is like opening the door to numerous possibilities for resizing your content. When you click on crop, a range of aspect ratio options will appear. This is where the magic happens. You're going to want to select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Why 9:16, you might ask? Well, 9:16 is the standard vertical format for videos meant for viewing on smartphones. It's perfect for the scrolling experience on social media apps, making your content more engaging. Now, you might notice that when you apply the 9:16 crop, a specific part of your video or image is framed. This part might need some tweaking. Don't worry if initially it doesn't frame your subject or focal point just right. Kapwing allows you to adjust to the framing by simply dragging and moving the crop box to perfectly capture the essence of your video or image. Take your time with this step, ensuring that the most critical elements are center stage so that your audience sees exactly what you intend. And there you have it. Your video is now in a vertical format, ready to be shared with the world. This transformation not only optimizes your content for vertical viewing experiences, but also opens it up to a broader audience more accustomed to taking in media this way. If you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and finalize the edit by hitting the export button. Kapwing will process your video, and you'll be able to download it directly to your device. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Keep an eye on how vertical cropping might affect the overall composition of your video. Sometimes adding slight adjustments or including dynamic overlays can really amp up your video's appeal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing on Kapwing.